Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to discuss trading psychology. Let's get started. Welcome to DSFX7 Apex. My name is Sabinus, a price action swing trader. In this video, we are going to discuss trading psychology, mistake that keeps most beginners from becoming consistently profitable. Many traders think their biggest problem is strategy. Some think they need a better indicator. Others think they need a secret entry technique. But after years of trading, I have learned that most traders don't lose because of strategy. They lose because of psychology. And the number one psychology mistake beginners make is they cannot accept a loss. All right, let's break it down. Every trader take losses, all right? Every traders in the industry takes losses. One of the biggest misconceptions in trading is believing that good traders don't lose. That is completely false. Every professional trader takes losses. Every profitable strategy experience losing trades. All right. Losses are not a sign that you are a bad trader. They are simply part of the business. The market does not own us a winning trade every single time we enter trade. All right. Our job is not to avoid losses. Our job is to manage them. Okay. What happens when traders can't accept losses? Let's say you take a trade, you follow your analysis, you place your stop loss, but the market moves against you and your stop loss gets hit. At that moment, many beginners becomes emotional. Instead of accepting the loss and moving on, they start thinking, I need to recover my money. So they jump into another trade. Sometimes they increase their lot size. Sometimes they enter without confirmation. Sometimes they completely ignore their trading plan. This is where accounts start getting damaged. Not because of the first, but because of the emotional decision that follow. The dangerous circle. Most struggling traders go through the same circle. They take a loss, they become frustrated, they force another trade, they lose again, they increase risk, they become even more emotional. And before they know it, one small turn into a very bad trading day. The market hasn't changed, the strategy hasn't changed. The problem is their reaction. All right. So change your focus. Instead of asking yourself, did I win this trade? Ask yourself, did I follow my trading plan? Because that is what really matters. You can take a losing trade and still be a disciplined trader. You can take a winning trade and still be a careless trader if you ignored your rules. Success in trading is built through consistent execution, not emotional reactions. If you remember only one thing from this lesson, let it be: losses are part of the trading. Emotional decisions are optional. All right? Losses are part of the trading. Emotional decisions are optional. The number one psychology mistake beginner make is refusing to accept losses. And when the trader cannot accept losses, they start revenge trading, overtrading, and breaking their rules. Learn to think like a professional, accept losses, trust the process. All right? Most important thing, trust your process, protect your capital, and stay disciplined, because in trading, consistency is not about avoiding losses. It is about managing them correctly. At DSFX7 Apex, we believe capital preservation first, profit second. All right. If you found this lesson valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment discipline over emotion. My name is Sabinus, and I will see you in the next video.